day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can actually publish your book on Amazon KDP. I'm sure presently by now, you are done with your manuscript and you are also done with your book cover. You have also gotten your paperback. So the next thing you want to do now is to start publishing your book on Amazon KDP. So please, I want you to take your time very well to watch this video accordingly and make sure you note down some steps that I'm going to be walking you through so that when you are doing it yourself, you can easily get the same results. So for us to publish, you are going to click on this particular one, create new title or series. So that is what you are going to click on. So once it is done loading like this, they are going to ask you, are you going to be publishing Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, or series? So this one, I don't really do series book. I'm going to be teaching you how to publish a Kindle ebook, paperback, and hardcover. So what do we call Kindle? Kindle is just like a device that they usually use to read, just like a tablet, but they don't use it to call. They only use it to read books and so other things. So the paperback and the hardcover too, we are also going to be publishing books on it. So let's just take it one step at a time. So we click on create ebook if you want to publish your Kindle ebook. So we are going to be walking through this thing one after the other, and I'm going to be exposing you to some add-ons that we are going to be using to like publish. We are going to be using to get some keywords for our book. Now, please take your time and listen to it and watch this very carefully so that you don't make any mistake at all. So there are some important things that you need to take note, like this book title and this subtitle. It is very, very important. Another thing that is very important is your description and then 7 back-end keyword. They are very, very, very important. And again, the category of your book is very important. How are you going to be getting all these things? If you are not my student, you may not understand everything that I'm going to be walking you through here because we have done a lot of things in the class before now. So if you are not my student and you want to learn more, you can easily drop in the comment section or you send me a direct message so that you can understand. So having said that, let's get started in publishing. So what is the name of my book? So let me check the name of my book here. So this is the book that I want to publish, the Essential Keto Diet Cookbook. So that is the name of that particular book. So as you can see, this is the inside of the book that I want to publish. So let's get back here. So now we are going to start from the beginning. This language now, please kindly follow it accordingly. This one, you leave this one as English, and then this one now, the book title. You are going to put in your book title, the Essential Keto Diet Cookbook. So that is the first thing you need to do. The title of your book, that is what you are going to be putting here. So now the second one is the subtitle. If you don't pay to learn Amazon KDP and you want to do it yourself, because they put optional here, you may decide to think that, okay, this thing is not, it's just optional. So far I don't have subtitle for my book, let me just move on. You see, if you move on it, you are definitely moving on your progress or you're making money on Amazon KDP, because Amazon KDP work with some things. They work with keyword. What do we mean by keyword? Keywords are just the things that people actually use to search when they want to buy any book on Amazon. They don't buy it through anything. They go to Amazon.com, they search the keyword of the book they want, and then Amazon places the book to those people. How is Amazon going to dictate the book that is supposed to be placing to people that are searching? I'm going to be explaining everything for you in this particular training. I'm going to be explaining everything for you one after the other in this video, but I don't want to waste too much of our time. I want to quickly move on so that you can understand everything perfectly. So this particular subtitle, how are you going to be getting it? We are going to go to Amazon.com. When we get to Amazon.com, there are some add-ons that we are going to add for us to get the keyword that we are going to be using here. And the subtitle, for us to get subtitle, irrespective of any book you are writing, a lot of people have also written it on Amazon KDP. We are going to be making the research of people that have actually written something like your book, check their own subtitle. We are going to be picking out of their keywords so that we can actually put them on our own to subtitle. So the first thing you need to do when you get to Amazon, your own location is the first thing you need to take note of. If your location is in Nigeria, please change it to New York. Change it to New York, because New York or USA is the largest market where a lot of people buy books online. So the research we are going to be making here, if you are not changing this to New York, you're not going to be getting more valuable keywords that you're going to be using for your book. So if you want to change it to New York, just change it to 01001. So once you click on it, you click on apply. So it's going to definitely change to New York. So once it is on New York, then we want to get the keywords, what we are going to be using as our subtitle here. So for us to get that, you go on to your Amazon.com and type Keto Diet Cookbook. For you that are using a smartphone to do this, please kindly take note of this. Whenever you are using your smartphone, you don't need to go through Google Chrome to do it. What you only need to do is to download what we know as Kiwi browser. That is what you are going to be using, because there are some add-ons that we are going to be adding to the Chrome browser here. Your phone cannot do it if you are using the Chrome browser. So you need to use a Kiwi browser for you to be able to add all those add-ons. So what are the add-ons we are going to be adding? As you can see, these are what we call keywords. If people want to buy book on Amazon KDP, they come to this amazon.com like this, just like the way I am here, and they search the name of the book they want to buy. You can see a lot of people are searching what? Keto Diet Cookbook for Beginners. Another people search Keto Diet Cookbook for weight loss, Keto Diet Cookbook for recipe, Keto Diet Cookbook 2025. Please, I hope you can see that those are the keywords that people are searching in order for them to buy books on Amazon. So these keywords that you are seeing here, we need to look for ways in which we can impute all those keywords inside our own backend, so that when somebody search for Keto Diet Cookbook for Beginners, our book will appear. When somebody search for Keto Diet Cookbook recipe, our book will appear. When somebody search for Keto Diet Cookbook for women, our book will appear. So how are we going to be getting this keyword? I'll show you everything as we proceed. But let's first deal with this one first, which is the subtitle. So for you to do the subtitle, click on this, search the name of your book. Irrespective of the title of your book, search it and go and look at people that have actually written on your book. You can see we have 30 minutes Keto Diet Cookbook for Beginners, 2000 days. They said Keto Diet Cookbook for Beginners. You can see Keto Diet Cookbook, everybody Keto Diet. So what do we want to check? We want to check their subtitle so that we can pick from the best-selling books. What are their subtitles? Let's pick those subtitles and add it in our own to subtitle, because subtitles are keywords that people are actually searching for. And when all those keywords are also on our book, we will definitely get our book ranked high on Amazon KDP. So look at this book now. 30 minutes Keto Diet Cookbook. Look at this one now. This book has rating of what? 5-star, which simply means that this book is very, very doing well. Although all these ones are sponsored, they are running ad on their book. So that's why they are at the top. So let's look at the one that is not running ad and it is selling very well. So look at this one now. Look at this. I already previously reviewed this particular book. I think the last time I came to Amazon KDP. So now look at this book now. Let's click on this. This book has over 6,000 reviews of people that have gotten this book. So let's check this book out and then let's check the subtitle that they use. So look at this book. The name of the book is what? The Awesome Yum Easy Keto Cookbook. And they said the subtitle is what? 100 Low Carb Recipes. 100 low carb recipes. So the first thing you want to do is to copy this one, 100 low carb recipes. Then you go back to your own here and put this one here. So that is one. You go to another book again and go and check their description. So I think I'm done with this one. So you go to another one, Keto Diet Cookbook. That's what I want to use. So let me use from this one that are running adverts. Let me pick from them. Let me just open this one. As you can see, all this one says 101 simple and low taste carb. So I'm not going to be picking 101 simple. I'm going to be picking what? Low tasty, low carbohydrates, low sugar recipes to launch your healthy journey. So this is another keywords that I need to copy here. So my subtitle is going to be 100 low carbs recipes, tasty, low carb, low sugar recipes to launch your healthy journey. So that is going to be my own subtitle. Please, I hope you are following one after the other. So now that we are done with our subtitle, we need to progress with the next thing on our agenda. So we already have this thing, Keto Diet, the Essential Keto Diet Cookbook. I think for beginners is in front of it. For beginners. So I think, yeah, for beginners should be in front of it. So you can see I have for beginners here. So now you can see when somebody search for Keto Diet Cookbook for Beginners, your book will appear. When they search for Keto Diet Cookbook recipe, because there is recipe somewhere here, your book is going to appear. When somebody search for Keto Diet Low Tasty Carb, your book will appear. When somebody search for 100 simple low carb recipes, your book will also appear. So all these keywords, immediately somebody searches something on Amazon and the keywords is already here in your own backend here, they are going to be placing your book to that person for them to buy it. So now that we are done with the title and we are done with the subtitle, let's move on to the next thing on our agenda. So the next thing on our agenda is is this book series. So it's not series, so we are not doing anything here. So look at this one, edition number. So edition number tells reader whether your book is original and updated something. Just leave this one for now because it is optional. We don't have edition number. When you start publishing, they're going to give you your one and you're going to be putting it there. So now your author, what is the author? The name of the author, you just put your pen name. Just put your pen name. Enter the primary author or contributor. Pen names are allowed. So if you have your name, probably your name is what you put on your book, you can easily just put your full name. Or if you have a pen name that you actually use on your book, for example, if you use all these American people name on your book, just impute their name here. So me, I'm going to be putting my own name here. I'm going to be putting my own name here, which is what? Prince. Prince. Then the other one is going to be Arex. So that is what you are going to be putting here. So now the next thing I want to do, they said the next one is what? If you have a contributors for your book, you can easily add them. But I'm sure majority don't have contributors because you are just starting. So when you have contributors later on, maybe you've started publishing about 10 to 15 to 20 books, and then you are collaborating with somebody, you can easily just include their names here. So that is where we are going to be stopping in this video, because this description is very, very important, because I'm going to be explaining the reason why it is important for you in my next video. And again, I'm going to be breaking it down for you using the AIDA model formula of copywriting. If you don't want to miss out, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you have not given this video a thumbs up, please, before you end this video, don't forget to give this video a like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.